The EX42 features compact size and flexible installation for versatile applications. Each unit weighs less than 4 kg, making it ideal for single-person setup. You can flexibly configure them in sets of 2, 4, 6, or 8 to suit bases of various size. For systems with 2 or 4 models, you only need one amplifier and processor for a seamless connection. Your setup is ideal for 50 to 150 square meter venues. 4-speaker setup is ideal for 150 to 300 square meters medium-large spaces. For the 8-model system, you can use 2 dual-channel amplifiers or a single 4-channel amplifier, suitable for sound reinforcement spaces of 300 to 500 square meters. Each EX42 speaker comes with a dedicated mounting bracket, so they can work as a standalone point source. We've optimized mounting solutions for every combination: salon suspension, hanging installation, wall mounting, and more. With 5 silk dome tweeters tightly spaced at just 8 mm, we achieve side lobe-free vertical dispersion. This enables point-to-point precision projection, eliminating audio waste and significantly improving the clarity of speeches and presentations. Our area configuration focuses sound energy. The built-in DSP enhances coverage, consistency, and control. With accurate sound directivity and crystal clear audio quality, EX42 supports fast and convenient deployment for all kinds of venues.